Hey guys, welcome back. Today is insane because I'm standing in front of the actual 2026 all-electric tricycle camper that everyone has been blowing up my comments about. And yes, it is even more stunning in real life. This pearl white beauty looks like a spaceship meets luxury pod, completely silent, zero emissions, and it's literally smiling at me with that cute front face. Look how smooth the body is. One single flowing line from nose to tail, glossy white paint that flips iridescent in the light, massive wraparound tinted glass, and the doors, watch this. One touch, and the entire side slides forward and up like a Rolls-Royce had a baby with a Tesla Cybercab. The opening is huge. You just step in, no ducking, no climbing. Inside, oh my god, it's bright, airy, and smells like a brand new supercar. Everything is finished in snow-white leather with black contrast stitching, soft Alcantara roof, glossy piano white accents, and this giant panoramic roof that goes all the way to the back. Seats are heated, cooled, and they swivel 180 degrees to face the rear lounge. Yes, there's a lounge. Behind the seats you have a fold-flat area that turns into a real queen-size bed in 10 seconds. Memory foam topper already included. There's hidden storage everywhere, under the floor, in the doors, even a pull-out fridge drawer and induction cooktop that pop out from the side. Dashboard is just one massive curved screen. Driving it feels unreal. Super narrow so you zip through traffic like a motorcycle, but it leans into corners like a sports car and it's so stable you forget it only has 3 wheels. Top speed is capped at 80 mph, but Euro 60 happens in under 6 seconds. It's quick. Price starts at just $38,900 in Europe, about $42,000 in the US when it lands next year. And in most places you can drive it on a normal car license. No motorcycle endorsement needed. Parking? It fits in half a normal spot. Ferry prices? Half the cost of a regular camper. Insurance? Laughably cheap. This isn't just a camper. It's freedom in the cutest, cleanest, most futuristic package ever made. I'm already planning my first month-long trip in one of these. Tell me in the comments, would you daily drive this, weekend escape in it, or go full-time? Smash the like button if you're obsessed with this white beauty, subscribe because I'm picking one up the second they let me, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.